your reaction to the so-called sanctuary cities decision?
You know, I'm struck by something thinking about it, Lawrence, and that is there's almost two lanes here. One is all the things that Neil Gorsuch and Brett Kavanaugh were put on the court to do, right? Guns, abortion, religion, immigration. And then there's all the other stuff that is just churned up by the Trump era. And I think that in a weird way, and we've talked about this before, the fact that every time the Justice Department has lost on anything that Donald Trump has done, they run straight to the Supreme Court. They leapfrog over the intermediate courts. In some ways, I think the court is just exhausted carrying water, both for the sort of deregulatory regime that they're all excited to do, the conservatives, but also all this other stuff that keeps coming up. And I think what we saw today was the court just batting away a bunch of issues, particularly guns. They've been desperate to get to this. The conservatives are furious that they're not getting to this. We saw dissents today, angry dissents from Clarence Thomas saying, my God, we haven't heard a gun case since 2010. But I just think the law of Trump is just taking all the oxygen. The court can't get down to sort of dismantling the things they promised to dismantle.
And Dahlia, the irony of Antonin Scalia being relied on by California as opposed to Donald Trump, who's always said that his model Supreme Court justice was Antonin Scalia. Since someone must have told him to say that, of course, because how would he know?
It's funny, Scalia's fingerprints were not only all over that sanctuary city stuff, but all over the Title VII cases, too. You could see jockeying to who could out-Scalia on the part of the conservatives in the case, and actually some of the groups, the conservative legal groups that are affronted by the decision in Title VII, were all invoking Scalia and how he'd be kind of spinning in his grave at the outrages heaped upon him. So today was really a big Scalia-shaped hole at the Supreme Court in a whole bunch of places. And also, I think you're right, a Rorschach test. Scalia has come to mean whatever anybody who invokes his name wants him to mean.
Do you see anything in today's decisions that might change your notion of what's on the horizon for this Supreme Court?
I think you and I have talked about this before. It's always important to look at the whole board. Lawrence, this is, I think, the most consequential term in my 2 decades covering the court. We've got DACA barreling down on us, the rescission of DACA. We've got June Medical, the abortion case. We have those financial records cases, whole bunch of religious liberty cases. The court was not going to give 5-4 wins to Donald Trump in every one of those cases right before a big election year with possible retirements on the horizon. So I think the court is giving us something today on the left, sort of an easy, probably relatively easy win. Although I think it will sting the Trump administration. And I think it, in some sense, maybe this is the cynic in me, it suggests that we need to brace for some big, big losses. I think Trump may win big in some of the other cases that are coming down the pike.